Hey guys, it is G2 Technology here to show you how to inject JavaScript into a web view in Xcode. First thing you're going to want to do is go to create a new Xcode project, view-based application under iOS. Product name, I'm going to call this JavaScript. Company identifier, I'm just going to say bygrade.net. And if you're wondering why I'm pausing between videos for a considerable amount of time, it is because I am making a website called bygrade.net, and it will be tutorial based to help you out with Xcode, Photoshop, HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, all that kind of stuff. So when I'm not making videos, that's what I'm doing most likely. I will make a video once bygrade.net is done. Okay, let's go to our .h file and identify our button that will execute the JavaScript or trigger the execution of the JavaScript and our web view. So IB, Interactive Builder, Outlet, UI, User Interface, button, Interactive Builder, Outlet, User Interface, User Interface, Web View, we're just going to call it Web View, capital V, lowercase w. Now let's go to our right under the closing curly bracket, type dash space opening round bracket, or just parentheses, IB action, closing parentheses, run, capital S script, semicolon. So now we've stated our two, that's whatever. Okay, now that we have stated our button, our web view, and an action, let's go and go to the .m file and actually make those things do something. So right under at implementation, type dash space IB action for in parentheses run script opening curly bracket. When you press the enter key in Xcode 4, it will close that off for you. If you're in Xcode 3, you'll have to do that manually, I believe. Type square bracket web, capital V, view, string by evaluating JavaScript from string. To save time, just press the enter key. At sign, quotation mark, alert, document. I'm just going to do this JavaScript. You can do something else if you want. This is just going to get the actual HTML on the page. I accidentally added an extra space there. Make sure you don't do that. And close it off with a quotation mark and a square bracket and a semicolon. So at sign, quotation mark your JavaScript there, quotation mark, square, closing bracket, and semicolon. Probably made that a lot more sound a lot more complex than it actually was. I'm just trying to get this video done before my dogs start barking again. Right, remove the comment markers like I just did, so that view did load is actually going to perform a task. So right under the opening curly bracket for void view did load, type square bracket web, capital V, view, since we are referring to the web view that we stated in the .h file. Type load, capital R, request, colon, square bracket, ns URL request, capitals ns URL and R for request, space request with URL, semicolon, and type. Make sure you press the enter key. For whatever reason, when I don't press the enter key, it seems to get an odd warning message that does not let me continue. So when you're typing request with URL, instead of typing the semicolon, this could just be me being paranoid and having no clue as to what the real reason is. Just press the enter key. Type square bracket ns URL with string colon at sign quotation mark, and this is where you type in your URL. So I'm going to type http ://bygrade.net /test.html closing quotation mark followed by 3 square brackets semicolon. Okay, so that will tell us, or it will tell the application to load the website. Now we're just going to release that, so we're going to type web view, capital V, release, enclosed in square brackets. So that's all the coding that we will be doing for this. So go to our .nib file, go to the utilities menu, drag in a round rectangular button, make it look pretty, and call it execute in the attributes JavaScript. Drag in your web view, hang on. Okay, so right click your file zoner, drag button to button, under outlets drag, and you do this by clicking the circle and dragging it to the object. Drag run script to the button. I'm going to do touch up inside, drag web view to web view, save, press run. Shouldn't get any errors. So I'm going to press execute JavaScript, and there you go, it outputs the HTML. In this case, it actually outputted Apple's version of the website using Cocoa. So, or Coca, my bad. And there you go. So you can see it displays the web page, and you can execute JavaScript. If you want to hide the web page, just click on Web View, Hidden, under Drawing, just JavaScript. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to be making plenty more Xcode videos as I learn. I'm going to be very active on YouTube. Apologize for not being so earlier. It's just academics and other interests. I was still coding and stuff. I just didn't realize that making videos would be helpful to others, or I didn't really think about it. But now I'm making videos again. I hope you subscribe, rate, and comment. And yeah, I hope I helped.